closer. I could have stopped them on the way now, but I decided not to. Alright, they ain't come back yet. Oh, if it's Jack's no, it's still
Yeah,
here.
it's fine.
What's that name? Jack, yeah. What do you call it? Keep on 20. Keep on for 20. Okay. Keep on for 20. Oh yes. He's so sharp. The Rockets lost game 7. We out of the playoffs. We had a good run. I'm proud of the guys. I'm proud of them. It was a great season. The NBA season is over for me, so I don't know what to do now with my life because I really do not care who wins the championship. I'm probably making a lot of noise. I'm sorry about that. I'm really proud of the guys. I'm sad. I'm not gonna lie. I'm really sad. Because we could beat the next team. I really feel like we could beat the next team, but it is what it is, man. I'll see y'all tomorrow. If tomorrow goes as planned, it should be a very good day, a very good video. As if it goes as planned, but life.